The smartwatch market is really picking up, and Titan has launched another smartwatch, the Titan Smart Pro. Now, we've checked out the Titan Smart previously, so you can click on the bubble on the top right to go check that out. And we'll also have a link in the description. But if you want to go buy this, we'll leave links in the description. It is available for sale now. The watch is available in 5 colors. We've got the black here, but you can also get it in a red, which looks really nice. You also have a pink, a green, and a blue. The watch is severely upgraded from the regular Titan watch. You get a GPS along with an AMOLED display this time around. The display is a 1.19-inch circular AMOLED display, and it is protected with Gorilla Glass 3. It is a 390 by 390 pixel resolution, so it is nice, vivid, and also has a good amount of brightness and good viewability indoors as well as outdoors. The watch itself weighs in at 39.1 grams with the straps, which means that it's fairly lightweight. It has a 260 mAh battery that is rated for 14 days of use if you do keep the GPS off, and about 24 hours of use with the GPS on. Inside the box of the Titan Smart Pro, you will get the watch itself with a set of straps. These straps are interchangeable quite easily, so if you want to get a different colored bezel and pair it with a different colored strap, you can do that as well. Now, the watch can be paired with the Titan Smart Pro app, which is available on both iOS as well as Android, and that not only allows you to customize the watch, look at all the data that the watch has collected, and then also customize the watch as well. So you can choose from over 100 watch faces that are available on the app, and then you can customize the watch faces to your requirement as well. Watch faces are rather simple to download and upload to the watch, and if you want to change the watch faces that are on the watch itself, a simple long press on the watch face will allow you to switch from your favorite saved ones on the watch. This watch also has body temperature monitoring and an altimeter, a barometer, and it also monitors your heart rate along with SpO2, and also has breathe reminders as well as hydration reminders, which will remind you to drink some water throughout the day, which is something that a lot of people miss out on. Speaking of water, we also got a brand new water purifier installed in our office, and I got one for my home as well, and that video is coming up. So make sure you're subscribed to iGyaan and have the bell notification turned on, because we have exciting content coming up. And a lot of you watching this video right now are not subscribed, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. It helps us a lot. The watch also has 5 ATM of water resistance rating, a rating which is typically given to really high-end watches, is now available on smartwatches, and the Titan Smart Pro does have that. The watch also has stress monitoring and can monitor 14 different sports types. So if you're into running or cycling or swimming or all of them, the watch can easily track your workouts and save the information on the watch as well as on the app, and you can go back and see your progress over time. The watch also has sleep monitoring with REM tracking, and it also has a built-in women's cycle tracking feature, which is really great. And you also get notifications from your phone. So if you have an incoming call, you can silence it on the watch or reject the call, and it's almost instantaneous. There's no lag between a call ringing on your phone and the notification showing up on the watch. The watch also has the ability to find your phone in case you lose it in your house somewhere. Just tap on the Find Phone feature and you can easily find your phone because it starts ringing or vibrating depending on the mode that you've kept it in. Because of its built-in GPS functionality, you also do get a compass on the watch, which can be really handy for people who go for treks or want to go hiking. And you also have built-in controls for your music. So if you're listening to music on your phone, you do get a remote style control functionality on the watch. So you can control your music, play, pause, move the tracks, all of that directly from the watch. The AMOLED screen is a big upgrade, and the responsiveness and the touch of the display is really nice. Overall, the Smart Pro is a definite upgrade, and if you guys are interested in checking it out, like I said, links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan, with the bell notifications set to all notifications so that you get notified each time a new video goes up. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.